Hello guys, this is Praveen and you're watching Race Miners. Today on our channel we are building a rig. One of our client has approached us to set up the rig. He has been mining for the last 6 months but not the way it has to be. So we are going to set up this rig professionally, and before we check out each and every component that we are going to use here, let's roll an intro. Welcome back guys, and let's check out each and every component that we have here. The motherboard that we have is a TB360 from Biostar. This is a BTC D+. This is a riserless motherboard, but we are going to connect couple of risers here. And the other component that we have, the 3060 graphic card here, and this is a 1060 graphic card that we have, and this is a 2060. This is not a 2060 Super, this is a 2060 plain that we have. And 1000 watts power supply from Antec, and the client has given us his old risers. One thing that I would like to inform you guys is that when you buy a riser, buy a latest riser which comes with 8 capacitors at least and a shield guard, an armor shield guard. Those are the things that you need to keep in mind. And this is a fan that was there on the mining motherboard. Let's connect all these things. And from our end, we are going to use version 10 plus risers, and I'm going to attach 3 PCIe clips. These are the clips that we are going to connect, and also a switch to the motherboard. And also this is the 32 GB pen drive which is flashed with HiveOS in it, and this is the HDMI dummy plug, and this should be connected to the 3060 that we have. And the last thing that we're going to use is a frame to connect all our components on this. This is an aluminium brick frame. On this thing you can at least connect 8 to 10 graphic cards. This is a 3 feet aluminium brick frame with a depth of 1 feet. So finally this rig is up and running. 1060 is hashing at 17, 2060 is hashing around 33, 34, and a 3060 is hashing at 36 and a 37. Let's check our computer screen. The entire this particular rig is hashing at 86 and an 87 mega hashes per second. And after this we'll go to our computer screens and then we do our calculations and the profitability. So guys, we are on our computer screens now, and if you can see, the Ethereum price is at $2,586, and let's punch in our hash rates here. Under ETH hash, it was hashing at 87 mega hashes and consuming around 300 watts. Let's scroll down and click on calculate. If you can see, this particular rig is generating around $3.15, and after the power cost it is $2.43. Let me go ahead and do the calculation. So the Ethereum price is 2,587, and the total mega hashes is 87 mega hashes and consuming around 300 watts. Per day it is $3.15, and after the power cost it is $2.43. So if you can see, monthly it would be generating around 7,087.50 rupees, and after the power cost it is 5,467.50 rupees. And that's it for this rig, guys. If you wanted to get a rig build done through us, you can get in touch with us. The contact information for Grace Miners is in the description of this video. Please do like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you so much, guys, for watching our video.